What if your sunglasses could record 4K video, translate over 100 languages, answer AI questions, play music, and take phone calls? Sounds like something straight out of the future. Well, today on Caring Guy, we're unboxing and reviewing the 2026 new AI Smart Glasses 4K, a wearable gadget packed with AI features, a Sony camera sensor, and smart connectivity. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the package, you'll usually find the AI smart glasses, a protective glasses case, a magnetic charging cable, a cleaning cloth, and the user manual. The glasses feel lightweight yet durable thanks to the TR tough material frame with a matte black finish. They also come with detachable lenses, including options like blue light blocking lenses, sunglasses lenses, and photochromic lenses. These glasses are designed for everyday wear. The frame uses TR durable material, making it flexible and comfortable. Despite packing so many features, the glasses remain lightweight and stylish, so they don't feel bulky on your face. They also have an IP66 rating, meaning they are dustproof, waterproof, and sweat-resistant, great for outdoor activities. Now let's talk about the most exciting feature, the camera. These smart glasses include a Sony IMX219 8-megapixel camera sensor, capable of recording HD video and capturing photos from your perspective. The glasses support 1080p video recording, and the camera can interpolate images up to 32 megapixels resolution. There's also built-in image stabilization, which helps reduce shake when you're walking or moving. This makes them perfect for travel recording, cycling or hiking, hands-free vlogging, and everyday moments. What really makes these glasses special is the AI integration. They support AI voice interaction with large language models like GPT-based systems, allowing you to ask questions and get quick answers. You also get real-time language translation supporting over 100 languages, which can be extremely useful for travel or communication. Plus, the glasses include voice wake-up, meaning you can activate the assistant just by speaking. The glasses support Wi-Fi transmission, so photos, videos, and recordings can be quickly transferred to your smartphone. They also include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive calls, listen to music, and use voice assistants. Controls are simple too. You can slide your finger on the frame to adjust volume, or tap to play and pause music. These glasses include dual microphones with noise cancellation, which improves call quality and voice commands. This helps reduce background noise, making your calls and recordings clearer. Inside the frame is a 290 milliamp battery. It offers about 12 hours of music playback and over 7 days of standby time. Charging is also convenient thanks to the magnetic charging system, which includes built-in short-circuit protection. Overall, the new AI Smart Glasses 4K combines several powerful technologies into a compact wearable device. You get AI voice assistant features, HD camera recording, real-time language translation, Bluetooth calls and music playback, Wi-Fi media transfer, and stylish and durable design. For anyone interested in smart wearable technology, these glasses offer a fascinating glimpse into the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews. And tell me in the comments, would you wear AI smart glasses like these every day? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.